The February-March issue of Rural Heritage is going on press next week, but you still have time to get your copy if you act soon. This issue is packed with interesting articles. There's the story about Phil and Janet Warren in Vermont, who use horses and a community of friends to make small, square-baled hay each summer. Jennifer Morrissey writes about farmers who promote soil health through cover cropping, livestock integration, and species diversification, helping them defend against weather-related crop losses and other vulnerabilities. Sandy Powell takes us out on several Wyoming ranches during the coldest parts of winter to learn why horses are preferred to tractors by some ranchers to bring hay to their cattle. Philip Henderson explains that 2021 is the year of the golden ox in the Chinese calendar, and why that's so appropriate at a time when there are more oxen being used today than any time in human history. There's an explanation of how to set up cheese-making operations on your farm, how to reshape your hammer and other tool handles, how to choose, use, and maintain the right hoe for the gardening job. There's lots more stories and photos of people borrowing from yesterday to do the work of today, as well as a calendar of events, book reviews, and the upcoming schedule for Rural Heritage on RFD TV. As usual, the advertisements in the magazine provide folks useful contacts for businesses and services that are hard to discover otherwise. Harness and collar shops, horse-drawn implement and vehicle dealers, feed and seed companies, breeders of horses, mules, and oxen, farm equipment, and much more. All that in one issue. Call toll-free 1-877-647-2452 or visit our website at www.ruralheritage.com. This issue is not available on newsstands. Single issues are available in the U.S. for the original newsstand price of $6.95, or save over 15% by subscribing for $34.95 per year.